Hello everybody and welcome back to Walk With Wael. As we all know, Tyre is only the part in touch with the road. So let's take a look at Tyre safety tips, especially some are on the way. So check the tire pressure at least once a month. So use a proper tire for your car as per manufacturer standard. Avoid driving over dangerous objects like glass, curves, etc. Last but not the least, keep your spare tire in a good condition for emergency. Drive safe this summer, and for extra expert advice, call us on 600-540045 or stay tuned to Walk With Wael, AG Cars by Ghurair.